Hey everyone, welcome back to a new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. Let's begin with the index Nifty. Bulls successfully defended the major support of 14,900 level after 2 days of red closing, and it went on to close at week high. Nifty continued to trade along with the 20 EMA, indicating continuation of a bullish momentum. RSI is gradually moving towards the north direction, indicating index is gaining its strength. A strong bullish candle is visible on a daily scale on Friday's trading session. Index above 15,260 levels will continue to move towards 15,350-400 levels in coming trading session. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty went on to outperform Nifty as index closed by approx 7% up for the week comparing to the Nifty's 3.5%. Index has performed cup and handle breakout on daily scale, which is a bullish pattern. Index was able to defend the support of 20 EMA and bounce from the same. RSI is moving towards the north direction, indicating good strength in index. 34,000 will be acting as an initial support level. We expect index to carry its bullish momentum towards 36,600 in coming trading session. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Financial Service Index. On daily scale, index has performed a month range breakout with a strong bullish candle. 20 EMA was acting as a major support level. It respected that support and bounced from that same. RSI is gradually moving towards the north direction, indicating good strength in index. Index above 16,370 levels, we expect continuation of a bullish momentum towards 17,000 levels. Moving on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which I am going to talk about is Axis Bank. On daily scale, stock has performed 1 month range breakout. A strong bullish candle could be witnessed near to the support zone of 700-710 levels. From past few days, stock is holding the support of a 20 EMA. RSI is moving towards the north direction with a positive crossover, indicating good strength in stock. So we expect stock over 732 levels to continue with this bullish momentum towards 790 levels. Moving on towards the next stock, that is Biocon. On daily scale, we could witness death crossover on chart. A short-term moving average, that is 50 EMA, has crossed below its major long-term moving average of 200 EMA. Stock failed to sustain above the short-term support of rising trend line. RSI is gradually moving towards the south direction with a negative crossover, indicating weakness in stock. So stock below 380 levels, we expect continuation of a bearish momentum towards 360 levels. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a profitable week ahead.